Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing the TikTok famous coffee. I don't know how to pronounce it, Dalgona, but you guys know what I'm talking about because it's everywhere. It's on Instagram, it's on TikTok, it's all over YouTube. And I tried it maybe about a week ago and it is really good. Okay, I'm not a really big coffee drinker, but this is good. So if you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned. So you're just going to start with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I use granulated sugar. And then you're going to also add 2 tablespoons of water. Some people are using hot water. I just used regular water and it worked perfectly fine. So now that all of our ingredients are in our bowl, so you can either do this by hand or with the machine. It's a lot easier though with the machine. You're just going to go ahead and whisk this. I started on high, so I went all the way up to the number 10 on the KitchenAid mixer. And it takes a couple minutes, but it's pretty fast with the mixer, so you just wait for it to get real fluffy and golden. To me it looks like a meringue, so I did it until it was soft peaks about, and then that's where I stopped. This is more of a time consuming way to make coffee, but if you do have the time, it is definitely worth it. The only thing I'm wondering is if you could do this in a shaker bottle, like when you make your protein, because it has the whisk in there, but the only thing is I don't think there's enough mixture for it to make a difference. I don't know. If you guys have tried it in a shaker bottle, let me know because I'll probably try it soon too. But I've run out of milk, so I'm not going to be making this for a few days. Now it is time to pour our decadent coffee. So you're just gonna, if you want it iced, you're gonna put some ice, your milk. You want to leave a little bit of space at the top so that your mixture can fit. And sorry about the angle. I've been so used to filming on TikTok that I flipped my camera the wrong way. So this is the angle, guys. I'm very sorry. I didn't realize until after when I was looking at the video that I flipped it. So just bear with me, guys. But this is what it looks like. You just add it all on top. I ended up switching this to a bigger glass after once I was off camera because this mixture was overflowing on the top and I couldn't really stir it because it was coming out over the sides. But yeah, oh my god, it's so good. And sometimes there's still foam left, so then when I finish all the milk, I'll put more milk and then mix it all together. It's really good. It's like a nice sweet but still a little bit strong coffee. It's really good. The foam itself though, that's really strong. I tasted it. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be sweet like how it looks, but it's still really strong. So yeah, this was a really short video. It didn't have to be some long video. I'm just making a drink and it's just one version. You can make this hot, iced. You could add like chocolate powder, cocoa powder to the mixture so that it's like a mocha kind of. That would be really good. You should try that. But yeah, I also tried this with matcha, chai, and chocolate in my last video if you guys want to go check it out. But this is the drink, guys. It is really good. If you try it out, let me know down below. If you haven't tried it out already, because I'm pretty sure everyone has. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below what you'd like to see next time, and go ahead and subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye.